Hello again, everybody. Today we're going to talk about fitting your brand new Three West design saddle on your existing setup. It's just a matter of taking measurements to make sure that we put your saddle as close to where your previous saddle was so you don't have to start the refitting process all over again. Stay tuned, here's how. Step one, you want to see if the saddles are the same size. What that means is from the sit bone area to the nose, do they measure equally? In this case, they do. Using any measurement device, simply measure from the center of this bolt to the tip of the nose. In this case, the measurement reads 42 centimeters. Next, we're going to measure from the middle of the crank arm bolt all the way up to the middle top of the saddle. After that, we're going to measure from the center of the bolt again, this time to underneath the tip of the nose itself. Now simply remove the bolts as needed. Install your new Three West design saddle. Tighten the screws, but not completely, leaving a little room for adjustments. Now simply measure from the nut to the tip of the saddle using the measurement from your prior saddle. Simulate the old center of the saddle by putting a piece of tape from the end to the nose. This will allow you to measure and find that middle section of the seat you had before. So now simply use your previous measurements from that crank arm center to the nose, crank arm center to the top of the saddle to position the saddle perfectly on where your previous saddle was located. Since each Three West design has a well needed for the foam bladder or for the air chamber, the rails are a bit taller than other saddles. Therefore, most likely you're going to have to move the saddle down using an adjustment to the seat tube. So the saddle's on the bike and it's ready for the first ride. Remember, make sure your perineum is falling into that V section. There should be no pain down there, and that's also how you'll know you're on the right spot in the saddle. Also, a quarter or an eighth of an inch in adjustment can make all the difference in the world when it comes to saddle fitting. Any questions, reach out to us at service3westdesign.com. Hope you enjoy the saddle. Have a great day.